Today I'm going to show you how to install a floor mount enclosure inside a pre-assembled bay. So this is an 8 series bay. This is an RSFLE kit, and this is their supporting RS80 bar. So in this kit you'll get a left-hand side, a right-hand side, a strap, and the nuts and bolts that are associated with this. I'll make a note that the supporting bar and the floor mount enclosure, plates are sold separately. Reason being is because these are universal across your 8 series and your 12 series. This will only suit an 8 series. So this is as easy as simply placing these in the desired location. Once again, RolaCase's products are very adjustable. So for this one, I will just go there. I'll make sure to mirror it on this side there. And just for dummy purposes, I'll show you how this goes. This basically goes in here. But it looks something like this. So when you do this, you'll have to back off the nuts. So I'll have to use my cordless drill to take these nuts off. This is 7/16 with a P3 drill bit. So going in reverse. Place it in the desired location. Put these back on, finger tight. Open the kit. You will notice that you will get some of these screws. It's always good to put these in first before you tighten the bottom ones. And go through and tighten the rest. And repeat the process on the other side. Now you don't have to put a screw in every single one of these, just 2 is sufficient. That moves us on to the next step, which is the angle bar. There you go. I've got these ones and these ones put together. So like this with this. We always give you additional screws. If you wish to use them, you can. If not, you don't have to. And then these ones, I usually drive the 2 soft tappers through. You could drive them through here, or you can just put one in the middle, or 2, one here and one there, whatever suits you. It's always good to put 1 or 2 there. And then this strap. Fairly easy. It says RolaCase on it. There's several ways you can put this strap on. I like to do a simple loop. And that cam, simply lift that up, push on the cam, feed the strap through, just pull tight, and it's that easy. That's it. You can cut the excess off, or you can leave it on. But basically, if you want to put something, imagine you had have a shelf on top of this, you just back off the cam, this will drop, you can put whatever item you want in there, and you put it back up, and it won't fall out.